What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have something new, something different. Yeah, I have been looking for a portable monitor for the past couple of days and finally I have got the one that I have been looking for. Today I have a new portable monitor from Arzopa. This one is Arzopa S1. This one is a 15.6-inch FHD 1080p portable monitor and this one comes with quite a few interesting features. For example, this one is one of the lightest portable monitors that I have ever used, and also this one is one of the thinnest 0.3 inch. That's pretty slim. Well, we will start from unboxing, but before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. It's time to start our honest review video of Arzopa S1 15.6-inch portable monitor. This Arzopa S1 15.6-inch FHD Plus portable monitor comes in a very nice packaging. After opening the top lid, the first thing you will get is the portable monitor. Okay, let's put the monitor aside. Let's check what other things we are gonna get inside the box. Arzopa has provided a very good user manual. Everything is clearly written and there are a lot of illustrations. So I think that we don't even need to read. After watching through these illustrations, you'll be able to use this monitor without any issue. Underneath that, there is a very good quality HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Arzopa has also provided a USB-A to USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Inside the box, you will get a 15-watt power adapter. Yeah, this is a very good quality screen wiping tool. Wow, this is really a nice touch. Well, let's put everything aside and let's unwrap our S1 15.6-inch portable monitor. This portable monitor comes with its own protective cover. The protective cover also works as a stand. Yeah, in hand, Arzopa S1 portable monitor feels very premium, and Arzopa has actually used metal to build this one, so that's why this one has a very good build quality. All the cutouts, curves and design language look so very nice. Even if they have printed the brand name in the front panel. Usually I don't like this, but here it has got a very nice blend, so this one looks so very nice. All the buttons and the ports are on the left side. On top there is a 3.5mm port, a jog dial and a button. This button actually works as a power button and also works as a back button inside that on-screen menu. There are 3 ports. There is a mini display port and 2 USB-C ports. We can connect this Arzopa 15.6-inch FHD Plus display panel with a single cable. I mean when we are using a USB-C port and when your device supports video output through USB-C port. I really like this jog dial button because this one is very easy to navigate through the menu, and this one actually is much more convenient than pressing through many buttons like up button, down button. This one is a jog dialer along with a button. So yeah, this one is much easier than those single button setup. Okay, the first thing I like about this Arzopa S1 portable monitor is it's a value for money. This one comes with a very nice price tag, and yeah, there is a discount on the Amazon Prime Day. This one comes with a 15.6-inch IPS LCD panel. Even if this is an IPS LCD panel, this is an anti-glare display panel and supports 60Hz refresh rate. But yeah, this seems like a bit more typical. Rather, I should mention these. This one comes with a 178-degree ultra-wide viewing angle. This one comes with an eye care option. This one can effectively reduce blue light radiation damage. There is no flickering, and as this one supports 60 Hz and has a very high peak brightness, this one actually is an eye-pleasing portable monitor. This one actually doesn't generate any type of fatigue, and yeah, I have enjoyed playing games, editing videos and consuming entertainment on this monitor. This one is a plug-and-play monitor. There is no need to download any applications or driver. What we need to do is to have only one USB-C cable and then connect that USB-C cable to the portable monitor and to your laptop or your tablet or to your gaming console. Bang! It will start working. But if your gadget doesn't support USB-C video output and power delivery, then you may need to have an additional cable, a USB-A to C or another USB-C to C cable, which will deliver power to this portable monitor. This one comes with a very wide compatibility. As there are 2 full functional USB-C ports, we can connect the devices to any of the ports. We can easily connect this one with a PC or with a Mac or with a smartphone, Xbox, Switch, PS4 or PS5, and that mini HDMI port allows compatibility with any laptop. That's really a wide range. Yeah, wide enough, truly. Okay, we have talked about outlook, appearance, build quality, compatibility, and some specifications. But the most important thing is, how does it perform? Okay, this one is a very good choice as a second monitor for our laptop while working from anywhere. As this is a portable monitor and as this is a very lightweight one, we can carry this one along with us to anywhere. Yeah, it's not like literally anywhere written on somewhere. It's like practically we can carry this one to anywhere. But what have made me so satisfied and excited about this device is its display performance. This one comes with a very good color calibration, and when it's connected to a gadget where we can change the color profile, this one performs like a beast. This one offers true to life colors. Yeah, it's pretty much natural yet vivid and vibrant. And you know what? Even if this is an anti-glare matte finish display panel, black is truly super dark. It's very difficult to get very dark color output. Correct, dark black output from any anti-glare portable monitor under heavy sunlight or under an environment like this in a studio with heavy lighting, but this one has performed. White goes very bright, black goes very dark, colors are vivid and vibrant, and at the same time, this one supports HDR. That's a really nice thing. I've been using this one with my MacBook, and you know what? I've got the best output from this portable monitor, especially considering its price and segment. Okay, if I haven't mentioned yet, then yeah, this one comes with a dual speaker setup, and this dual speaker supports Dolby Atmos surround sound. And you know what, as this one comes with a metal body, full metal body, sound quality is way better than many other. I have been using this one with my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and DeX mode. Samsung offers DeX mode. This one performs like a beast in DeX mode. Okay, these days many other portable monitors comes with wide range of compatibility, but within this price segment, no other portable monitors offer such a great, trust me, such natural color calibration. I would give this portable monitor 10 out of 10 for color reproduction and 10 out of 10 for plug and play. I have only been using one USB-C to USB-C cable, and that means this one supports all the devices which has video output through USB-C cable. Well, that's all about this Arzopa S1 table. Yeah, that's the name. I am really surprised by the performance of this device. I have left a link of this portable monitor in the description box below. Go ahead, check that. Okay, I'm ready to give away one portable monitor to my regular viewers and subscribers. What you have to do is to make a comment and let me know what thing do you care when you buy a portable monitor and what things do you like about this Arzopa S1 table portable monitor. Don't forget to make a comment, and yeah, if you have liked this video, go ahead, click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.